Hello kids, I'm Mr. Cat. Today I will teach you a simple math trick, which is addition. Addition means putting things together. Let's have fun. Look, I have one apple. If I add one more apple, let's count it together. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Here is your challenge. What is 3 plus 3? Can you guess? Yes, you got it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Well done. Great job, kids. Today we learned that addition means putting things together. Remember, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 plus 3 is 6. You're amazing. See you next time for more math fun.